Hey folks, this video will teach you how to pronounce the Brazilian Portuguese word mayonnaise. The correct pronunciation is mayonnaise. Once again, mayonnaise. Here's a fun fact. In Brazil, there's a saying, viajando na maionese, which means tripping, spacing out, talking nonsense, living in La La Land, or zoning out. Can you imagine mayonnaise being part of this saying? I think it's so funny and interesting. But remember, the correct pronunciation is always the one that people can understand. So don't be afraid. Choose whatever is easiest for you. Let's say it one more time. Mayonnaise. You've got it. If you have any other word suggestions, feel free to comment below. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.